Meaning of international.
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 International. The word international refers to something that involves or relates to more than one country or nation. It can be used to describe activities, events, organizations, treaties, and any other thing that transcends national borders or boundaries. For example, international trade refers to the exchange of goods and services between countries, while international relations refers to the political, economic, social, and cultural interactions among nations. The prefix inter- and international means between, indicating that it involves two or more parties from different countries.